Hi, I'm Kitso. Welcome to Sustainable Investments, where we talk about companies that innovate to build a sustainable future. If you find any of the information that I share here to be valuable, please like the video so that YouTube will help others find the video. Also, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button so that you will be informed each time I post a new video. In 2020, we noticed a huge growth of investors that are interested in companies that innovate and want to push forward the sustainability agenda. Investors want to invest in these kind of companies because they see that there's a lot of future gains that can be earned from these type of companies. For example, companies in the electric vehicle market saw enormous gains in the stock market. This particular industry is focused on reducing carbon emissions from motorists using fossil fuels. They do this by obviously producing electric vehicles. If we explore what is driving the growth of sustainable investing, you might find that it's because future financial decision makers, which is us, are asking more of companies and are seeking more sustainable investment solutions. Also, regulators and governments are expanding their focus on incorporating sustainability into investment, information, and decision making. In the financial sector, there is growing recognition that ESG research and analysis can potentially identify investment risks and generate excess returns. In March 2020, when most of the world had to start working from home, we saw a collapse in the stock market. The oil prices plummeted and the travel industry came to a halt because people could not travel anymore. From that point onwards, the biggest winners in the market were innovative disruptors such as Tesla, Etsy, Amazon, Roku, and others. Yes, 2020 closed off with Tesla being included into the S&P 500 after the stock achieved considerably higher returns compared to the S&P 500. For 2020, the S&P 500, which is the line in blue over here that you see, they were up about 15% compared to Tesla, which saw gains which were over 700% in share price. Yes, I know that the S&P 500 is comprised of multiple companies, so the comparison between Tesla and which is just one company and the S&P 500 might be a bit distorted. But my point is that you should stop and think of all the innovative, sustainable disruptors that will shape the market and our future. It's evident that sustainability is becoming the new standard for investing. Thus, it makes sense to actually give more attention to innovative disruptors in the market sector and in the financial sector when you are building up your portfolio. These companies may prove to be more resilient to black swan events and actually stand to gain a lot from these kind of events because they are better prepared for them, and you can also gain from investing in those kind of companies. You know what? Even if all else fails because you might not have a clear investment strategy, you should at least know that investing in the future will bring future returns to your portfolio. And when you look at companies that are huge asset managers, they have also started with the trend of moving towards sustainable investing. So all you need to do is just follow the money. BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager with over 7.8 trillion assets under management. And they announced in 2020 that environmental sustainability will be the core goal for BlackRock's future investment decisions. They have divested from companies that present a high sustainability related risk, such as thermal coal producers, by selling prior investments that they had made. But what exactly does this mean? Simply put, sustainability impacts every aspect of life, and retail investors and large asset managers such as BlackRock see the opportunity in this space, which also means that there's currently a global reallocation of capital that is going on. Assets will move from non-sustainable investments such as fossil fuels to renewable energies such as the electric vehicle market, for example. The fact that the largest asset manager in the world recognizes the shift towards sustainable investing means that you should sit up, listen, and also do something about your portfolio to move towards this trend. This channel and podcast is dedicated to discussing companies that are making contribution towards sustainability, and we are analyzing the share price and seeing if the company that we will be discussing is actually worth consideration to include in your portfolio. Do you see the opportunity presented to you? By simply liking this video, you will help others to find the video. And by subscribing and turning on your notifications, you will know each time I talk about a new company that you could consider, and you'll be the first to be informed when I upload the video. So like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications to stay informed when I upload a new video. Till the next video, invest sustainably.